Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Legions Bay 0. I'm joined by my brother Ikama Obanu.
Mfuthi umondli lokhulumayo ngiphuma eMtubatuba mfethu ngoba ngizelana ngizosupport nayo ibheji. This badge is so expensive.
Yeah.
This badge.
Yeah.
This badge.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu eSouth Africa hloniphani la. Yabona iPirates? Hayi Pirates Sibo. Uma unenkinga unestress hamba ubuka iPirates uba relief.
Ifana neCase.
Hayi. Sibo hlonipha iPirates. Sibo hlonipha iPirates baba. Hlonipha iPirates. Bafethu maningi. Yabona badge lana. Le badge expensive le badge le. Expensive. Wait for this. Siyabona Sibo. Bafethu.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?